Learn how you can travel for free on airlines that make you pay for baggage bigger than this. This is the bag you need. 3, 2, 1. One thing that I absolutely hate is airlines being cheeky with hand luggage and having to pay to bring on a carry-on that's a mini suitcase for a 3-day trip. So I have finally decided to find basically a way to hack that and have the same amount of luggage or the same amount of clothes but entirely for free. And essentially investing in a smarter luggage that passes even the smallest of size restrictions, and yes, I am talking about you, Ryanair, but one that has the same capabilities as a mini suitcase in regards to how much you can fit in there. So I searched high and low through YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and I just couldn't find anything that fit me. Nothing was A, in my price range, which was just over £100, because I knew that it was going to be something that I had to invest in because it would be saving me money a long time, and B, one that was big enough for what I needed, or it was too big for the size requirements. But I finally found it on Amazon for well below my budget, and I'm going to show you how this essentially cracks the code and how you can travel and you can have the same amount of clothes as a carry-on but travel for free. And voila, here is the bag. This was only £38.99. I saw other bags that were like £100 and they didn't have this many compartments. It looks quite small, but I'm telling you, once you get things in it, it grows. I was already doing it when it arrived. I was actually like, ee! But let me show you exactly what I mean about why you can fit so much in there, even though it does look quite small. So it does fit Ryanair's requirements, which is 40 times 25 times 20. So I will show you the main compartment last, just so that you can gauge kind of the size, and I'll go with the side pockets first. I'm pretty sure I haven't even found all the side pockets yet. So I'm going to show you the back first. So this back is specifically for laptops, so you can literally just slide them in and then they fit flat on your back, and it doesn't take up any space because this is quite a hard exterior. But I'm trying to really show you that it does go quite all the way down. So I guess if you didn't have a laptop, you could put essentially other things in there that were flat so that it wouldn't affect your back or go into the next pocket. My dad wasn't really too keen on these bags because he was like, if you have something that's too big in one side, it's going to overlap into the other. But I don't think that's true with this, just because it is so like hard and these are quite thin, but they fit a lot. So then this is the front, and it acts as a cooler. Like, even if I'm putting my hand here already, it is extremely cool, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag as well. So this is the place where I'm going to put like my makeup bag and my toiletries to get through airport security, just because at the front it's quick. But I guess if you wanted to put water in here as well, it would keep your stuff nice and cool. But there also is a water bit on the side as well. So also I wanted to tell you a cool feature. If you have a portable charger and you can connect it, there's a wire inside to this. If you was to put your charger here and connect your phone, it would automatically start charging, which I think is super cool. I have to give it a go, but I need to find my portable charger. And then, as I was mentioning, on the side you have got a water compartment, and I did see on the reviews actually that this water compartment was a little bit small, so they didn't know if you could actually fit stuff inside. It's also again got a cooler thing, because it does go down all the way to the side, but it is quite thin. Let me try actually. Oh no, it's a bit of a squeeze. I think it would fit, but it's cutting. There we go. So a standard water bottle does fit in there, but it is a little bit squished. So anything bigger than that, like probably a Chili's bottle, would not fit in there. So just a heads up. Then you've also got 2 zips on the front. So this is just for anything small. I wouldn't necessarily put your passport in there, but you know, something small, maybe your AirPods. And then you've got another one at the front at the top here as well, which is a little bit bigger in size than the one at the bottom. I saw on the thing that there was, yes, at the back you also have like a secret compartment. I guess here maybe if you didn't have another bag, you would want to put your passport so that literally no one can get it, or any money that you might have. I'm really struggling to try and show you. There you go, you can kind of see it's quite a lot of space in there. And the reason why I was struggling with this little thing is because if you do have a carry-on as well, you can literally simply sit the bag over the handle of the suitcase and drag it along that way, so you're not having to carry this on your back. Handy. Then you also have one at the bottom of the bag, which is for, can anybody guess? Oh my god, I actually not opened this. This is absolutely huge. I don't know where this pocket goes. It's like if anyone's seen Harry Potter, like Hermione's bag of magic. This is absolutely huge. I'm a bit concerned about where this actually goes, but this is for shoes. You've got the holes, so I guess the bag doesn't smell the shoes. But I'm really confused. Okay, so I'm gonna open the main compartment and try and like feel where my hand goes. But because it goes right the way at the top. Where's the main compartment? Okay, opening the main compartment now. Okay, I see where it goes. Right. So now the big reveal is obviously the main compartment, because this is where all of your stuff is going to go. And I really like the way that it opens out, because it feels like a suitcase size, just because it opens the tree all the way out. Let me just show you. 3, 2, 1. So you can literally like hold it flat like this, and then you can really see what you're putting in as if it was a suitcase. And I know that this does look really thin, like you're gonna be like, you can't put anything in this depth, but really and truly it goes out more as if a suitcase would as well, like not a hard shell one, but if you had a soft case, so you can extend it. So I think this is how much I'm bringing, and like this is just my clothes. So I've got my sports stuff, I've got 2 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of trousers and 2 tops for working out. I've got 3 dresses here. I've got my jeans, a pair of shorts here, 3 pairs of swimwear, a skirt, and then I think about like 7 different tops, headscarf, sports bras. So I still need to include like my undergarments and my toiletries. But I've got 3 of these different packs. And when I'm packing, I'm going to show you how much. So obviously you've got the main compartment here. This is the wire I was talking about to connect your portable charger. This, I was a bit confused as to what this middle bit was, but now I see that's where the shoes go. Which before I thought it was just to like separate anything. So I guess if you didn't have shoes, it would give you more space inside. But you've also got another flat little pocket in the back here to keep things separate. And then you've also got on the other side lots of pockets here as well. So you've got quite a big one here. You've got another here with a zip and a mesh bag. And then finally another little pocket. I probably wouldn't use this one as much because it's got no zip. But I guess if it's upright, it wouldn't be much of a bother. Look at that! I don't know why I'm so surprised. When I put those packing cubes in the bag, I was like, oh my god, there's no way this is gonna close. But, and also I'm a really bad packer, so this is just for reference, this bag is for anyone. And look at this! It doesn't look that thick. Cool. And then I'm just going to put my slides in the bottom right now, and let's see how they fit. Okay, so it's quite tight because it's got my stuff in there. I wasn't sure how that works, but there is space at the top and they will fit the slides in. But that's about it. They won't fit anything else. Oh, it's actually a bit tight. Oops. Okay, this is actually a little bit tight. I'm just going to try and move these along. Okay, so that was a little bit difficult. And then taking out, this is what the shoes look like in here. So maybe it's actually best to put the shoes in first before you pack this, just so that this can like close like that and you won't have to fight to get the shoes in. And then I've still got room on this side too, which I'm going to put some bits in as well. But guys, obviously this bag is compatible with Ryanair and does fit a hell of a lot of stuff in it in comparison to other non-ordinary rucksacks that I have brought in the past, and I've struggled with about 2 days worth of clothes. So if you are on the hunt for a bag that you can take with you and so you don't have to pay for luggage, I would recommend this bag. Just be a better packer than I am, but the fact that I am a bad packer and I managed to get all of that stuff in is I'm really impressed with myself, in all honesty. And I'm not even done packing, and I still have like the front pockets and the back pockets and then the secret pockets as well. But yeah, this is the bag. I have the link in the description below so that if you are interested in taking a look for yourself, or you've had similar issues and you want to learn how you can travel for free on airlines that make you pay for baggage bigger than this, then this is the bag you need. And I'm going to trial it out next week, so I'm going to tell you how it goes. But it does feel quite good, like the quality is quite good and supportive. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. But if you have any other recommendations of bags that we should try, do let us know in the comments so that we can all enjoy travelling for free with the best quality and on a budget. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.